I'm gonna show you how you can get started with a Redbubble, and you don't even have to design anything. You don't have to know Photoshop, and we're just gonna use obviously Redbubble for that. Then Pexels or Pixabay, I'm gonna show you both sides. And then we're also gonna use removebg.com, as that's the best way you can remove a background without Photoshop. Let's say dog. We're gonna look for an image, and you could use like any one of these. So obviously not everything is gonna look perfect, but like this one, it's gonna be very easy to remove this background. So I'm just gonna download it, and then I saw another picture that I wanted, so let's try this one for example. Okay, now I've shown you Pixabay, great images. Now let's go over here. You can also just browse this page, so let's look for dog in here. This website is actually better if you don't want to sign in. You can obviously edit the pictures, but the thing is you don't have to, which makes it super fast. So I'm just gonna go to downloads, and we're gonna select this for example. So this picture is a hard one because you have to recover some stuff, but it's working, and you can also delete like stuff that's here too much, like that. And then we're gonna try one from Pixabay. Maybe this will work better. And this looks good, so you can just download it and you're done with that. So the next picture is gonna be this doggo right here, and as you can see, it already cut it out perfectly, so I don't have to do anything with this. Okay, so this picture again could be something more challenging, but it cut everything out perfectly. And now you can, I'm gonna download both actually, but you can now go in here and modify it. You can add a background if you want that, but you can also just delete this hand, and you have this cute dog sticker. And now I've got like so many items to choose from, and I'm just gonna log in really quick, but you can just register, it doesn't take long. Okay, and once you're logged into Redbubble, I can already see one of my designs down here. You can just click here, add new design. So here we go, the first item. Now we're gonna check it out as a sticker, because I said with this particular image that we got, it's not ideal. Not everything is gonna be perfect right away. We had to edit it a bit, and with that, because we couldn't edit that like detailed, it could possibly be that this picture is not gonna be perfect on a sticker. As you can see, this spot where it wasn't perfectly detailed doesn't look too bad, and I think we can sell this. The quality is good as well, so we can just hit apply, then edit the phone cases for example. Alright, so once you've done all of this, I would start doing the title and everything else. Optimization is something for another video. As I said before, not the greatest tags, but the design is what matters in this video. Here we go, you can see all of the various designs that you've activated, and I think the sticker looks awesome. I think people will be happy when they receive this. Next up we have this sticker right here, and I know the quality isn't the best, that's why it's this tiny. But the stickers are that tiny, so it wouldn't even matter if you got the better version from Background BG by paying. I'm gonna show you the cheapest alternatives for Remove BG, and I'm thinking of Affinity Designer, but I'm not totally sure if you can cut things out as crisp and clean as Remove BG. But you definitely have like more tools, and it's only $30 to $50. Here on Pixabay, you can search for illustrations, which is bringing everything to a whole new level. Obviously, you can't just use these one-to-one, but look at this. Remove background immediately. You've got like a sticker pack of like, what's that? 3 times 5 is 15 sticker pack. Just like that, or you can sell them individually. Save for sure, dude. Like, there's so many stickers, and as I said before, you don't even have to use dog stickers because that's probably a competitive niche. You can use whatever you can think of. And with time, you can start doing your own designs. I'm gonna be doing a video on that as well. Like, these are so simple. This could have been from Pixabay, or you could have just done it yourself. Stay tuned for more videos, more insights like this. This is reminding me of the brain thing I just saw on Pixabay. This one could be cool. So yeah guys, stay tuned. That's it for this video. Hope you've learned something and just put this to use. And if you want to, you can leave a comment with your shop and I'm gonna check it out. Other people in the comments are also gonna check it out. Have a great day. See you on the next one.